Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will bring you the 7th chess puzzle. So watch until the end to know the answer and subscribe my channel to help me improve even more. We reached 500 subscribers, so thank you for the support and let's do it even more, okay? And share this video for more people to see these cool puzzles. Now, let's get in. So the first thing I have to say here is that I will allow you to pause the video and try to find the answer. You found it? So now it's the answer time. In thumbnail I said it's mating 5, so it's not a really easy checkmate pattern, but it's not difficult. The first move you have to notice is with the rook, but why? Because you want to trap the black king. The black king can go in these 3 squares here, so you want to block every square you can. So the best move here is rook a7, very logical move. The black king can only move here, so if you block this square and do a check, it will be mate, okay? Now black has 2 moves here, or king e8 or c4. I chose c4, but king e8, it's also a good move. It will transpose anyway. Um, then next move here for white is pretty logical. You want to mate the black king, so f6 is the correct move. You are blocking here and threatening mate with the rook. So black is forced to make this move. King e8. If the white plays rook a8, the black king can go here. So the best move for white has 2 moves here. Or bishop e6, blocking the squares, threatening mate again, or white can take the pawn. I chose this because we don't need to checkmate with the bishop and the pawn and the rook. We only need to do this. The black king is forced to go here because if he goes back, it will be mated, okay? You are seeing again, it's all controlled, so black is forced to play king d8, and now f7, really easy move, blocking the squares, forcing the king to go here, and it's mate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe as I said in the beginning of the video and share this video for more people to see. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.